Hi, welcome to 136 Barn Street, second floor. Let's get started. First, I'm going to take you into the eating kitchen. Very spacious, brand new flooring. Older cabinets gives this apartment a little bit of charm. It does come with the appliances, the fridge and the stove. Plenty of space to put a table and chairs here. Open and airy. I'm going to take you into the living room area. Also a very big space. You can fit your couch, end tables, coffee table, and your TV can go right up on that wall. Lots of Portuguese restaurants. There's Chinese restaurants. There is also Latin restaurants. That's becoming very popular. The city's very diverse. And this apartment is located next to the South Coast Marketplace, Picture Show, TJ Maxx, and the new Chick-fil-A that will be coming soon. Down there's a gas station. Famous Dunkin' Donuts. There's one on pretty much every other street. Walnut Park, Lafayette Park. Next, I'm going to take you into the first bedroom. Good sized bedroom, does have a closet. Let's check it out. Plenty of hangers for your clothes. The bathroom. It is a smaller bathroom, but still definitely functional. It has a new toilet, it is tiled, and there is a shower door. And it also has a little closet for your linens. Let's go down the hall into the second bedroom. Also very spacious. Definitely can fit a king or a queen bed in here. If you have bigger furniture, won't be a problem. And it also has a closet. And for the last bedroom, which is very spacious, definitely has plenty of room for really big furniture. If you're that type of person that likes that big furniture, it does have a closet space. Know that the rent here is $1,200 a month. The owner is looking for first and last month's rent. And if that fits your criteria of a 3-bedroom for $1,200 a month, definitely go to rentandfallriver.com and sign up for the showing. Thank you.